Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making potato salad. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need russet potatoes, eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, kosher baby dill pickles, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. Begin by peeling 2 potatoes. Cut the potatoes into cubes. Dice 1 pickle. Boil the potatoes and 2 eggs for 12 minutes. Dice the eggs. In a bowl, smash the potatoes to your desired consistency. Add the eggs. Next, add the pickles and combine the ingredients. Add a half cup of mayonnaise. Add 1/4 cup of mustard. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. And there you have it, potato salad. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.